up my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is another Gele tutorial, so sit back, relax, grab your Gele and let's go. So something different, something for you to stand out at parties, events, whatever not. So I'm using, a lot of you have been asking in the comments what's the name of this material. So this material is called Gele. It does not regularly come like this, although some stores actually sell them already made, but usually they come in rolls. So if you look at this from like here to here, you can see it's been like sewn together. So usually it comes like in a roll, in this of a roll, and they make it to the length that you want. So you can go to the market, you can buy it already made, or you can buy the roll and make it to your desired length. But this is called Gele. It's the Nigerian traditional hair tie. So for this style, I will be dividing my Gele into two, like so, and I'm getting it in the middle, so I'm gonna press it down. Make sure you get that, and that's the middle, and I just place it on my head like so. Come round, scrunch it, right, and I cross over. Once I have that, I just tuck all of this in, come round, and then I twist both sides. So twist one, and use my leg to hold that one, and my neck to hold that one, and twist the other one. Bring you forward to the middle to meet, and tie my knot. So like so. So I've got my knots, and now I just open this up, pleat, got enough pleats, right? I get the extra and just put my hand in the middle, making sure I've got enough, like got enough like there. Just fold it together. Dun, 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 dun. Make sure I've got more than enough. Just put my hand right here, and then I tuck it in at the back here. As I tuck that in, then I come forward here and just open that up. And then I do the same over here. I open it up. Fold it. Bring my hand and I tuck it in. So tuck it in like this one. Tuck it in front here, like so. So at this point, I'm gonna add my pin here. This one to stay in, and the same over here because you can see it's coming off. We don't want that at your party, do we now? So the same thing, you grab pin and you tuck that in. You pin it behind you here. Right. And then once you've done that, you just come to the front and you open them up. When you open them up on each side, you just pin each side. So I'm gonna grab my pin. No, at this point you actually need the invisible pin, the one without the bob, and I pin. So this I pin that side down, grab my other pin, the other side down, and voila, I've got my gele. Yeah, that is it. And obviously come round, close the end behind of the gele here, and voila, you've got yourself a beautiful, different, outstanding gele. I don't know what to call this. I don't have a name for it, but I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Let me give you a 360 first before we sign out. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this gele tutorial. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because I'm seeing you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have a style that you want me to show you, you can always tag me on Instagram at Lizzie Atkins, on TikTok, on Facebook. Just let me know. You can leave the comment down below as well in the video, and I will definitely get around to making the video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know